This is the video for 7801 Doncaster. The lawn looks to be in decent shape because it's winter time. He probably had it mowed a while back and it hasn't grown because of the weather. There are a lot of personal effects in the garage that'll need to be hauled off. And as we enter the front door, we see that the place hasn't had its maid service. There are several things left in the house that will need to be thrown away. Going into the half bath, you'll find more personal effects and find that there's a big spot on the wall here and then a little bit of damage back here, which is hard to pick up, but that's a hole in the wall about centimeter and a half, 2 centimeters wide. So that's one wall that needs to be painted. And then we go into the living room, and although it's hard to pick up until you look really close, there is a big mark right here that I'm trying to focus in on, right there, that needs to be painted. Plus there's like damage right there from contact. So that's 2 walls, but there's a little bit more damage over here, which is hard to pick up on. I'll pan out, see if I can get it. Here's one that's a little bit more visible. So 2 walls thus far that need to be painted. Rest of the living room looks okay, but as you can see, there are leaves on the ground and dirt on the ground. Over here in the kitchen, we have another wall with a long mark, which is right there. And over here, I don't know if you can see it that well. And that'll be 3 walls that need to be painted. And then over here on the other side of the kitchen, makes it 4. Big mark, more marks, more marks, more. And then over here on the same wall, marks, and it's just smudged up. So 4 walls. Coming into the kitchen, you can see that it hasn't been cleaned. There's dirt, stuff, more cleaning needed in the on top of the range, most likely in the range too. Drawers, let's see, need to be cleaned. Stuff in the fridge. But we're at 4 walls. Coming into the utility room, we have some sort of stains. I tried to wipe them off with a wet rag, but that didn't do the trick. So we're at 5 walls now. The rest of the utility room looks okay. So 5 walls. Going up the stairs, the carpets haven't been cleaned as required by the lease. But we have a stain going up, which is hard to see, but there it is, in the center of the screen, for 6 walls. And on the same wall, we have a big long mark, which is hard to see, but you can sort of see it there in the center of the screen. 6 walls. Going up the stairs, we have a gash in the wall for 7 walls. And then more dirt. Hard to see because I don't have a light on the stairway. 7 walls. Going into the bedroom to the right, guest bedroom, we just find a lot of paraphernalia. And we come to the 8th wall that needs to be painted. I tried to wipe that off, but that would not wipe off. 8 walls. Over here, We've got more dirt, more scratches, some sort of damage up there. For 9 walls, I would say this chipping here is going to be normal wear and tear. I'm not going to charge that to the tenant. Over here, I'm going to have this painted 2 because of this corner. There's definitely been contact with the wall that's going to cause that. That can't be normal wear and tear. So 8, 9, 10. 10 walls to the tenant. Over here, that's normal wear and tear. And the closets seem to be okay. I checked these already, but you can see more stuff left for maid service. So we're at 10 walls. Then moving into the final bedroom. This one I don't think was lived in really, so it's fine. And the bathroom seems to be fine other than dirt. So 10 walls for the tenant, 2 walls for normal wear and tear, maid service, carpet cleaning, and that's what we have. Thanks.